This is video about Duck manuscripts. These are nothing but the .xml files and they form the core of the Duck platform. They contain all the business processing logic for the insurance product. So all the data is stored in the form of the XML. So in that XML file, you store your how the product is defined, what are the underwriting rules, what is the rating information factors to generate the premium for a product. They also defines how the look and feel to be designed or to be displayed when the user access the policy or create a quote, and their workflow also is stored in the form of the XML. So inside your server, you have manuscripts folder where your all the manuscripts are stored. So if you can see for a career general liability, we have state-wise folder, and inside you can see different types of manuscript like data, product rating controls, uh, pages inside US folder. So this is how your product is stored. There are various types of manuscripts. The type derive based on what they do and what they store. For example, data manuscripts where we define all our business fields like the insured details, the policy number, or for auto policy, it might be the driver information, any risk information. It's all stored inside the data manuscripts. The pages manuscripts where we define the rules how it will be displayed on the screens. If there is a widget, if there is a button, checkboxes, all the UI element are and their rules, their validation is defined inside the user pages manuscripts. Rating manuscripts are those where we define our rating calculation. So any information like what are the steps involved to calculate the premium for a coverage, is there any rounding involved, factors information, any charge tax applied. So all is stored in the rating information. So there are some separate files as well, manuscripts as well, where rather than putting all in single file, we can store the rate tables in other different files. So these are the some additional manuscripts we have. In the inside the form manuscripts, we store about rule and form information. The manuscripts are those manuscripts where the transaction process logic is defined. And we have some integration manuscripts as well where we define the integration, define the expert, define details here. So we have lots of manuscripts inside the example server, as I said. Uh, this is a picture referred for the only one product. Similarly, for other product, we have same type of manuscripts. Okay. So inside the server, we said the manuscript directory is there. Then we have actual physical forms which interact with the forms manuscripts. Duck Creek provides example author tool where we can quote or configure all these manuscripts. So in the author, you can open the all the manuscript. You have to connect to this server, okay, through HTTP call, and you can open the manuscripts and define your data, configure your data.